The Senate on Tuesday berated the senior pastor and serving overseer of the Global Community Citadel Church, Pastor Tunde Bakare, over his recent scathing remarks about the 10th National Assembly, saying the cleric had crossed the line. The Senate's reaction was contained in a statement issued in Abuja by the chairman of the Senate Committee on Media and Public Affairs, Senator Yemi Adaramodu. Bakare, who contested the All Progressive Congress presidential ticket against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2022, during his Easter State of the Nation broadcast in Lagos, accused the president of reducing the 10th National Assembly to a haven for legislative rascality and likened it to the 48th member of his cabinet. He also condemned the emergency rule declared in Rivers State and criticized the National Assembly for backing it. The cleric further lamented the worsening insecurity, citing a fresh wave of killings in Plateau, Benue, and Enugu states. However, Adaramodu described Bakare's comment as sweeping, disparaging, and politically motivated. He argued that while some may see tension between the legislature and the executive as a healthy feature for checks and balances, such friction does not necessarily translate to effective oversight. While acknowledging Bakare's constitutional rights to voice opinions on national issues, the Senate spokesman maintained that the cleric had overstepped his bounds with aspersions and unsubstantiated claims. He said the legislative arm felt compelled to respond in order to prevent the public from being misled. While the story has ignited debates online, share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.